From Omaha's weather leader, meteorologist Luke Vickery, with your accurate Weather Now forecast.
Well, it's supposed to be fall outside, but at least for today, it's going to feel like winter conditions. You can see some of these flurries rolling through, inching their way towards the metro. Looking at our wider view of the viewing area, most of these in eastern Nebraska making their way up towards Denison on that northeast trend. Not going to see a whole lot of snowfall with this, likely just some flurries rolling through. Here's 7 a.m. You can see Tekamah, Fremont. And then down south, you're going to see more of that come. Falls City, Nebraska, Shenandoah. This is 10 a.m. And some of this might be a wintry mix as well. As you see, some of these temperatures over here are closer to the freezing mark. Up here north, Fremont, Columbus, Tekamah, where temperatures are a little bit colder, likely to see snow until we transition into the middle parts of the day when temperatures warm just a little bit more. And you could see some more of that wintry mix roll through. But nonetheless, not going to see a whole lot of precipitation in total from this. By 3 p.m., a lot of cloud cover, 36 degrees, so we're not really going to get out of the 30s throughout the day today. 8:30 p.m., a lot of those clouds breaking up. But in total throughout this, we're going to go with that same forecast, the trace to an inch throughout the majority of the viewing area. Norfolk already saw close to an inch yesterday, and it looks like with what they could get today, still sitting in that between 1 inch and 3 inches range. Here's a nice look from our Methodist Women's camera. Look at that flag blowing right there. So there is going to be a wind chill today. 29 degrees to start the day, but it's really feeling like about 18 degrees out there with that wind at about 15 miles per hour out of the northwest. Temperatures for the rest of us, a lot of us sitting below freezing. Maryville at 34, Falls City at 33, everyone else below freezing here. 26 in Columbus, Norfolk pretty cold at 26 degrees, 29 in Tekamah, and also here in Omaha. So the feel-like temperature obviously a bit frigid out there with that wind chill factor. 19 Atlantic, Lincoln 17, 16 up towards Fremont. So a chilly day today. Temperature's not going to elevate too much either. 37 here in Omaha, same for Shenandoah and Lincoln. All of us sitting in those mid-30s. And check out these overnight temperatures. Tomorrow morning when you start the work week, 21 degrees here in Omaha. Some of us sitting in the teens. York at 18 degrees, so very frigid outside. Luckily, it doesn't look like we'll have too much of a wind, so not a wind chill factor tomorrow morning. But check out Halloween on Tuesday, 36 degrees for the high temperature, and it will be a little bit breezy as well. So you're going to need to bundle up those kids as they head out to trick or treat on Tuesday night. Wednesday, getting a little bit better, 49 degrees. We start that warming trend. Thursday, 54 degrees. Friday, still warming up to 60s. And then Saturday, for the next Huskers game, about 54 degrees, although that game will not be at home. It is nice to see that transition in those temperatures with how cold it is right now to back to average temperatures.